Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Collegedunia, and today I'll be telling you how you can predict your college according to your TNEA rank. So first you have to visit the Collegedunia website, that is collegedunia.com, and once you see this link you have to click over here, and then you have to scroll down below on the website and you will see the section of College Predictor. You have to select this, and then you have to select the course and the exam that you want to pursue. For example, today we'll be seeing for TNU, and the course I want to do is, for example, Bachelor of Technology Biotech. Click on Find Colleges, and after that you have to enter your rank along with your reservation category and your course. For example, my rank over here is 1600. This is my reservation category and this is the course. Click on Check Results. You can see there are in total of 403 colleges for which I qualify for. That's a lot, and this is the list of all those colleges given down below. It's listed for you along with the information. And if you want to know more about the college and the course, you have to click over here and you can see all the information regarding your course, your admission process, your placements, cutoff, fees, everything will be given, and you can download all this information with this brochure button. And if you want to see colleges according to your preferences and your specific choices, you have to click this filter option, and you can see all those colleges according to your preferences of your city, your year, your substream, your degree type and category. You have to apply those changes, and all those listed colleges will be given to you for which you qualify for under your preferences. So, if you have any other question, you can visit the Collegedunia website, that is collegedunia.com, or you can comment down below. Thank you.